What's that say?
So it's been, what, 3 months maybe since I brought this box home?
Yeah. And we're just now gonna find out what's in it?
I bought this, and I bought a Lincoln, which was against what I would usually do. I tend to like blue machines. I like the Millers. But this, to me, after doing the research, is going to do everything it can do. I did not like the Miller machine because of the auto set feature. It bugs me. I want to fine tune my machine and tell it what to do. I don't think it needs to tell me what I should do. So that's why I got this guy.
You don't tell me what to do.
Alright, so here we go.
Here it is.
Here's a machine. I got the biggest bottle I could buy, and they told me it would fit on this cart, which is why I got this cart. It does not.
Yeah, that doesn't fit. But it is metal, man.
Kind of the only reason why I bought the cart, because he said it would fit this machine. Well, not the only reason. It's got some pretty cool features on it, if you look at it.
It's pretty brutal.
It's got some really cool features on it. Like, it's got these drawers, you know, with dividers in them, so I can put bits and bobs in there.
And things and stuff.
And things and such. And
anyway, it's got drawers.
Drawers that are going to be useful.
Hey. Hey. Get on with it.
Oh.
Destructions.
Get like some gas liner. A plug, that's interesting. Yeah, it comes with a foot pedal. So have you figured out what kind of machine this is? Pulling this out because we have some things we need to do. We need to TIG weld. Now, there's another reason why I chose this machine. It's got a decent torch on it. It's not flexy or anything of that nature, and it came with a nice braided heat shield. I might need some help holding the box.
Oh God. Got it. Ta-da, that's what's in the box.
That's what it is. 110 seems useless if 220 can do everything. For now, I just kind of wanted to show you what was in the box, and then you'll see me using it here before too long. Here we go.
Ooh.
Nice. I don't really care for the dial. I think it should be a full rotation is like 10 clickies, right? I don't know. That was a little weird. Pulse off, amperage 65-ish. Okay. Now, we did this on purpose just for this reason. This little tapped hole, not a big deal. It's for the hanger here, right?
For the e-brake.
E-brake. I don't know. I thought maybe we'd drill a hole, bigger hole around it, so we can still use the same hole, the same bolt, and then I was just gonna TIG fuse it, just to do something different. And it's really not that different or cool. Just whatever.
Using an existing hole.
Yeah. So that's what I'm gonna do now. There it is.
Dead cat in the way.
Yep.
There it is. So now we can use the same hole.
Now we use the same hole and you're not going to get any water in there or anything?
Yeah.
We're rolling?
Yes.
So, my initial reaction of the Lincoln TIG 200 for mild steel, I'd say I don't know, it works like any other TIG machine. I'm happy with it. One thing I want to do differently is get a thumb control, get a different lead. It's just something I've worked with a lot in the past, get rid of the foot pedal. But yeah, I'm happy with it so far. We're gonna do some aluminum in a little bit, and we'll see how that works. I'm sure it'll be fine. But I like it so far.
Tight.
With my Miller gloves.
Sacrilege.
Go hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe, comment, and share with your friends. You can also check out our website at garagejunkyapparel.com. We have all our shirts available for purchase. We'll see you next week.